What's going on, guys? Got a brand new video for you today. If you're new, hit the button for subscribing, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today we got the GTI, going to be doing a catch can install, and if you know me from my other vehicles, I do a catch can on almost every vehicle that I own because it allows your car to maintain the octane grade. So if you're using 87, it doesn't diminish it to 85 or less. And if you're using 93, 94, it doesn't diminish it to 91, 90. But burning off your oil can be bad, as well as it creating gunk and buildup on your valves. So today we're gonna tackle this, and I'm gonna do my best to show you what I did, the tips and the tricks. So let's go over the tools you're gonna need for this install. All right, so for today's install, you might need a small prybar or a pick. You're going to need a 10 millimeter for your nut here that will secure your bracket to holding the catch can. So the catch can will sit just like this. So let's talk about where it's gonna go in the engine bay right now. Here's where it's gonna sit. It's gonna sit just right here. So our goal now is gonna be to get this off, because it's been very difficult. So that's why we got the pry bar, and we're gonna make it happen right now. Now, this part we're gonna have recorded from last night, so I'm gonna add that in to the video right now. Okay, and action. Today we're installing a catch can.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, it pops out just like that.
Sick. This one doesn't really want to knock. Come on. Do you have a
So this
screwdriver?
one, we just pop out. Piece number one, piece number two.
Do you have a screwdriver?
No, but we're just gonna do it live. Alrighty, that's all it is.
Sick.
That's it. So this part should just pop out like so. That's it. That's it. It's easy. Ow. Okay, so here's where our catch can is gonna go for today. It's gonna go right on here. I've got the nut that connects to here, and it tightens. This would actually, you could drill the bracket and then put a needle or screw in it with its own threading, but this is essentially where the catch can is going to go today. And then basically what you're going to do is you take this off, because you don't really need this, because your catch can is going to sit right here. I just nicked my finger really good, so don't know how, but hey, it's part of life. And anyways, we're going to continue with the install. So this part you don't need any longer. So this is going to be the catch can you use. You're going to use a size 4 for your Allen key bits. So I'm going to get that to disconnect and show you how to install it on the car right now. So here's my handy dandy Allen kit tool. You're going to need size 4. So we're going to take this out right now. I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Here we go. Boom shakalaka. All right, we're going to disconnect. Okay, that's done. The one. There's number 2. All right, so now if we get this to stand, I'm going to undo this right now, mount it onto the car, and then from there, we will connect the hoses that you see here before you. Okay, so now that we've got that, we need the nut, which is right here, our 10 millimeter, and let's get it situated on and into place, which will be right here. So I can't do the filming with one hand. All right, now that we've got this bracket in place, I made it not 100% tight because you don't want to over tighten, but you want it tight and snug enough that it's not going to go anywhere. And that's basically it. And there you have it. So that is done. So now we're going to do the next portion. I've got that flex tube now officially off. It did not want to work with us whatsoever, but hey, it is what it is. Now we're going to get the catch can in place, get the tubing on, and show you the next steps. Now, to show you, there's oil in the line, so this should be catching plenty of actual oil into the can and separating it from going back off into the motor and being burnt off, degrading your actual octane value or grade. So let's get the catch can on. And so you will get the tubing over the existing hole. You'll get the can into position like so, and you will connect right here what you got to do. So after a little bit of time and reviewing the video, I've corrected the hosing. The hoses are in the right spot. This goes in, marked as in. This is marked out, so this goes back into your intake outlet piece, and it goes right into your turbo. So the lines are fixed. I had to edit this video so I can make sure I'm getting the correct and proper information out there. So yes, this is on correct. That's not going anywhere. Into the in, and the out, which has the filter side, is going back into the motor. So that's going to do it for the install of this video. Thanks for watching. If there's anything that you think that could have been done better, leave a comment below. Let me know. I need to hear from you guys. So that's going to do it for this video, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.